Hello and welcome to How to View Imagery for Planet subscriptions. Today we're going to focus on the easiest way to view imagery, and that's through Planet Explorer. So if you head to planet.com/explorer, you'll then need to log in with your subscription details. So once you've got a Planet subscription, you will have this information set up to your email. Once you log in, you'll then be able to start a tour. Simply click Start and then click Next to head through all of the different functionality that's available in this web application. One of the most important ones is that you'll be able to search for imagery and then click and select on the scenes that you are interested in. You can also filter on the type of imagery and the date, and then there are a variety of tools to look at the imagery and then download them. So why don't we have a go at doing this full workflow together? Let's zoom in on the map to our area of interest. On the side, at the top right, you can see that there are additional options if you want to upload an area of interest or draw a shape. And on the top left, you can see you can even type in an address. So let's do that today. Say I'm interested in the suburb of Thornley. I've typed in a particular address, and it's instantly searched for me the latest planet imagery at that location. I've then found latest cloud-free images that I'm interested in, and you can see it's shortlisted 4 images that were taken on that day. So say I most like this image, I'm going to select it, and I can also copy its information if I want to then pass that on. I can then click the Order Scene button down the bottom of the page. If my account has download, I can then click Next, type in the order that I'm after, so any name. I'd usually recommend calling it something that you are going to recognize and maybe add in the date, and then you'll be given a list of options as to the type of image that you want to download. So Planet do a number of processes to each of the images, so you can pick how much processing you would like when you download the image. You can also pick if you want it to be geo-referenced and auto-rectified. So I recommend their default option, which will come completely auto-rectified and referenced and processed. Then you can pick if you want it to clip to the AOI and then hit download once you're ready to go. That will then send off the request and you will then receive an email. If you have any further questions, feel free to get in touch with us.